Hello there, my name is Ollie from Anchor Vans. Today I have for you the 2021 Ford Transit Custom. This is the long wheelbase model in black and is also a crew cab with 6 cloth-lined seats. This does have 41,000 miles upon the clock. Comes with a reversing camera, cruise control, hands-free cooling, voice assist, parking sensors, Android Auto, Apple CarPlay, heated seats for the driver and the passengers at the front. This is an automatic transmission there for you as well. And I will just show you the back 3 seats as well. So as you can see, it does come with 3 benched cloth-lined seats with plenty of leg room as well. And I will just show you the load area in the back as well. So as you can see, for a crew cab, it is very generous with the amount of space you get in the back of one of these. Cargo rings has had any load you may want to carry, as well as this being interior lit and a pristine and undented bulkhead, suggesting that the previous owner of this van did only use it for light loads. Now, if you would like to find out more about this Ford Transit Custom Crew Cab, then please do feel free to head over to our website, anchorvans.co.uk, or you can head to our site in Papworth, just outside of Reading, where you can view this van in person, speak to one of our specialists about it, or you never know, you may come along here and see a van you like even more. Anyway, I hope this ends up on your driveway one day. Thank you very much.